Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will see how to connect vidIQ with ChatGPT. We have already seen different uses of vidIQ for script writing, thumbnail creation, title update, SEO, keyword search, right? So in this video, we'll learn how to connect vidIQ with ChatGPT so that we can use advanced version using ChatGPT for research. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. To begin with, there is an extension of vidIQ. I will pin this link in the video description. You can just go to this link. You have to first sign in. Now, two key things to remember. First thing is you must have signed up for vidIQ prior to this activity. So I already have a vidIQ Pro subscription, which has all the features, which helps me do a lot of things and experiment with my YouTube channel. If you are interested to get vidIQ Pro, check the sign up link in the video description. Now, once you go to this link, you just have to click on Add vidIQ to ChatGPT, right? You must be logged in on your ChatGPT as well. Now, once you click on Connect, it will ask you to sign in with vidIQ, and you have to authorize, right? Right now it's connected. You can see you can click on Start Chat, and now you can use you see you can find your vidIQ prompts here. You can create image, web search, deep research, and I have selected vidIQ over here, right? Now you can do analyze my YouTube channel views for, so you can play with it once you connect. So I hope this is very clear and useful. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.